like this week something a little bit different. I figured I'd take it all the way back to how I started this channel and show you a week in my life. You know, real vlog style stuff. Gorilla vlog. Yeah, like a week in the life of all the crazy stuff that we did. Who am I kidding? It's really not that crazy. We just went and did a bunch of car stuff and I figured I'd record it and share it with you. Oh yeah, we even had some new cats show up in the neighborhood. So we're in the process of catching them and getting them fixed. Here, look, here comes another one. How many cats are there all together? 5. Well, there's 2 cute little black ones right now. Huh. Oh man, how's this for different? Somebody else working on a truck. I can get used to this.
We'll get it.
Yeah, look at this, different project. I'm just the helping hand today. This is nice. I like not being in my crowded garage. We're at an actual wheel shop. This is crazy. Look at that dope ass ride. Should we lower it? I think we should lower it. All right, stay focused, stay focused. All right, so right now we're hard at work trying to get the bed off. You can hear Kevin down there getting those things out. Get it over on here on this little makeshift we got. Get to work doing some body work. Because that's what Kevin's got me down here for. To help fix this kind of stuff. Yeah, so I'm not doing any kind of suspension stuff. Thank goodness somebody else has already done all that stuff. We're here to fix all this madness. Yeah, so just kind of helping out the big Kev on this one. Gonna be fun. He's gonna make her look all pretty. And just like that, this bed is off. We're ready to get to work. This is all he brought me down here for, was to just rub my mouth and cut sheet metal out. The hard part's gonna be trying to put it back together. We'll see. We'll see. Here's what we're working with. Driver's side. You can see down here, got a little bit of not so pretty stuff. We're gonna cut all that out, get that repaired. Take a walk with me, take a walk with me, take a walk with me. We're gonna cut those off, those are dangerous. Right here, man. You gotta get this stuff going. And we take a look at this rocker down here too. Do the same thing. Fun times. Ooh, great channel. Go check it out. Hey, check this out. I think we found a truck under all this rust. That's a dad joke. But I can't think of nothing better to describe this situation. Holy smokes. Been letting him do all the work. I just got this dirty from watching it. This little welder he picked up. Working all right. It's the first time we've used it. Brand new bottle and everything. Good. And just like that, that's a wrap. With a kind of, sort of. That's a wrap on day one at least. Got this guy roughed in. Oh, she's in the rough stages. Still got to work on that bed. We got this guy roughed in. And yeah, things are looking up. Day 2, back at the compound. I don't know what else we want to call this thing, but I like the compound. Always sounds official. Kevin's already hard at it. Sorry, man, I didn't mean to scare you. I told you, he's deep at work already. Truth be told, I've been working a little bit too. I just kind of forgot to record what we're going on. He's working on that, and I'm working on getting these bed corners tied up. You can see, kind of fill these gaps in. We're missing these pieces, so we're trying to recreate something to work with here. It's a little messy right now, but I don't mind showing you guys behind the scenes. And the best part, free Slurpees. When it's 115 out, you take free Slurpees, right? Woo! I'll hold your hand while you do it.
Okay.
I think your brother would like that one.
Yeah, I like the cars with the eyes.
You do? Travels just keep continuing. Yeah, we're only at the middle of the week and I had to make a road trip because I was helping a friend out and then I got a hot tip on something else. I did the right thing first. I tried to pass it off to someone else and was like, hey, you might want to go grab these, but they were unable to, so I'm putting in the work and I'm down here driving and you know, adding Add a little hour or two to my day, but if you want to find the good stuff, this is what you got to do. All right, so what did I get? What did I go on a road trip for? Let me show you.
Oh, what is that?
That's right. Another set of Antera 109s with 2 new tires, newish. Good caps. One of them's got some curb check. This is actually the worst wheel right here. Caps are pretty good. Oh yeah, and guess what? Did you hear me? Toyota bolt pattern. That's right. Oh, Rodney, I can't wait to get one of these pedals in my truck. Oh, that feels heavenly. I feel like a man. Ah, it's so nice to see this thing out on the road. This makes me so happy. Okay, show me how you're actually supposed to drive this thing. Not like Benny owns a mini truck grandma style, but like a Saturday night and the cops aren't around. Yeah. I'm waiting for the bell.